One guy top. He's got riot shield. Moving. I don't think he hit someone. Yep. Taking fire from the top. One guy backside, right. Riot shield's hard. Window moving. Top right, top right. Top right suppressed. Moving. Back right, top. I'm kind of stuck. Yep. I can't see any other cover. I got a little bit to my left, but it's really tight. And the wind's blowing right in my fucking face. Alright, I'm moving left. Suppress. Suppress. Now. Fuck. I'm stuck. Reloading. Yeah, our smoke ain't gonna help much. I mean, I could try. It's a long walk to our next piece of cover. I don't think anyone's downstairs, Aaron. Guys running downstairs, right side, Aaron. You fucking... Left side, top floor. Bottom floor, right side. You're not gonna call that? Cool. That's fine. Bottom floor, middle window. dead right